Redwire has achieved a significant milestone by successfully completing the integration of the Hammerhead spacecraft platform for the European Space Agency's atmospheric limb tracker for investigation of the upcoming Stratosphere mission. This accomplishment marks a major step forward in the development of the Altea satellite, which will support groundbreaking research in the stratosphere. Redwire's state-of-the-art satellite processing facility in Kruibeek, Belgium, played a crucial role in the integration process. The Hammerhead platform, known for its exceptional performance and reliability, will serve as the foundation for the Altea satellite, which features Redwire's advanced avionics system. This follows Redwire successfully completing its acquisition of Edge Autonomy Intermediate Holdings, a leading provider of uncrewed airborne system technology. This strategic move transforms Redwire into a scaled and profitable space and defense tech company, positioning it for significant growth and innovation. The combined company will deliver cutting-edge space and airborne platforms, bridging the gap between airborne and space-based systems and enabling autonomous operations across multiple domains. With a highly skilled workforce of over 1,300 employees and extensive manufacturing capabilities across the US and Europe, Redwire is poised to accelerate its growth trajectory and strengthen its financial profile. The acquisition is immediately accretive to revenue and free cash flow, creating new integrated capabilities for customers and leveraging connectivity across space and airborne operations. Redwire's chairman and CEO, Peter Canito, expressed enthusiasm about the acquisition, stating it marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter for the company. With Edge Autonomy, Redwire is uniquely positioned to transform multi-domain operations, providing decisive advantages to U.S. and allied warfighters and creating significant value for customers and shareholders. On top of that, Redwire has been selected by NASA to facilitate a groundbreaking space microalgae biotechnology experiment on Axiom Mission 4 to the International Space Station. The experiment, developed in collaboration with the Indian Space Research Organization, the International Center for Genetic Technologies and Biotechnology, the National Institute of Plant Genome Research, and New Delhi, will analyze the impact of microgravity on the growth, metabolism, and genetic activity of 3 strains of edible microalgae. This research aims to assess microalgae as a potential sustainable food source for long-duration space missions, crucial for future trips to the Moon and Mars. Redwire will manage mission integration, scientific fulfillment, and on-orbit operations, leveraging its extensive experience in microgravity research and development technologies. With over 3 decades of human spaceflight heritage, Redwire has successfully produced and operated systems aboard the ISS, including its trailblazing biofabrication facility and PL box platform. Notably, Redwire has bioprinted the first-ever human knee meniscus and live human heart tissue in space and grown small molecule crystals optimized for drug development in microgravity. As part of Axiom Mission 4, an international crew of astronauts from India, Poland, Hungary, and the United States will launch to the ISS, marking the second human spaceflight mission for India, Poland, and Hungary, and the first time these nations will conduct an investigation on board the ISS. Similarly, Redwire secured a contract with Aspera Biomedicines to utilize its pharmaceutical in-space laboratory for cancer research, potentially boosting the company's strategic positioning and revenue growth. This partnership aims to advance the development of rebexinib, a promising cancer treatment that has shown potential in inhibiting cancer stem cell propagation. Redwire's PL box technology will facilitate critical space research, leveraging microgravity to enhance protein crystallization and accelerate discoveries. This contract follows Redwire's successful delivery of an onboard computer for the European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor mission, showcasing the company's expertise in space infrastructure and technology. With a strong track record of success and unparalleled avionics expertise, Redwire's advanced data and power management system is enabling critical technologies for ambitious space missions. Lastly, Redwire successfully priced an upsized underwritten registered public offering of 15,525,000 shares of its common stock, expected to result in gross proceeds of approximately $260 million. The company plans to utilize the net proceeds for general corporate purposes, including funding growth initiatives, repurchasing a portion of its convertible preferred stock to reduce dilution, and repaying a seller note related to its acquisition of Edge Autonomy Intermediate Holdings. This strategic move strengthens Redwire's balance sheet and supports its growth trajectory. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.